Hello and welcome to this podcast and vlog. I'm Josh Brownlee. Today I'd like to speak with you about engineering value, redefining the role of M&E building services in the built environment. And we're asking a powerful question. Is M&E design keeping up with the pace of change in the built environment? Let's face it, buildings today need to be more than compliant. They need to be intelligent, sustainable and user-focused. And that means mechanical and electrical building services engineers aren't just supporting buildings, we're shaping their future. In the past, M&E was often treated as a late-stage technical add-on, a line to be managed, minimised or VE'd down. But the truth is, M&E systems define how the buildings perform day to day. We are delivering energy efficiency, enabling smart technology and supporting occupant well-being. Just a thought, every watt saved, every air change optimised, every lumen fine-tuned, that's long-term value. Not just capital cost savings, but operational excellence. Net zero isn't the future, it's the brief. Clients are no longer asking if they should target net zero, they're asking how fast they can get there. That puts M&E building services at the centre of the conversation. Why? Because HVAC lighting, power, distribution and controls account for the majority of operational emissions. What can we do? We can specify high efficiency plant and low carbon heat sources like heat pumps. We can integrate on-site renewables and we can use digital twins to optimise performance over time. Net zero is not a design feature, it's a system-wide mindset, and the M&E building services are the nervous system. Next, health, comfort and the human factor. In the post-pandemic world, people care more than ever about the environments they occupy. Indoor air quality, thermal comfort, lighting conditions, these directly affect health, productivity and staff retention. Our systems define these metrics. Smart M&E designs mean CO2 sensors tied to adaptive ventilation, dynamic lighting systems that follow circadian rhythms, and quiet, efficient HVAC that doesn't interrupt concentration. People don't notice good building services, but they feel them. Finally, let's talk about integration. Integrated, digital and future ready. Mechanical and electrical systems can no longer be designed in silos. They need to work together and work with digital infrastructure, not just alongside it. Smart buildings are becoming the norm. This means our systems must talk to each other, learn from data and adapt in real time. BIM, the IoT, AI-driven analytics, these aren't futuristic extras. They're tools that let us create buildings that perform better over time. The role of the M&E engineer is expanding from designer to system architect to performance consultant. So here's the big idea. M&E isn't just about compliance or construction anymore. It's about connection, performance, people, carbon, data, purpose. We are no longer behind the scenes, we're at the table, leading the way. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this episode insightful, share it with your network please, and tag us on LinkedIn or your other social media platforms. Until next time, keep building smart, designing better and engineering with intent.